Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share 21 things that you can buy that can actually save you a lot of money over the long term. And these are really unique things that you've probably never heard of before. The first one is LED light bulbs. Did you know that LED light bulbs use 75% less electricity and they last 5 to 10 times longer than halogen light bulbs? So even though LED light bulbs are more expensive to buy up front, it will take you less than a year to actually work down the cost of the LED light bulbs based on all of the energy savings that you will get from them. And they will also last you 5 to 10 times longer. And it's even better for the planet as well because you're not going through as much waste as if you had normal halogen light bulbs. Make sure you smash the like button if you do like saving money on your electricity. And subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content about investing and personal finance. Number 2 is energy saving and water saving appliances. For example, washing machines and dishwashers, and even dryers and fridges. When we're looking at appliances to buy, purchase price and how much an appliance costs is only part of the price. So when we are looking to upgrade any of our appliances, we should actually start to consider what the running costs of each of these appliances would cost over a couple of years' time. And appliances now have this star system to show you just how cost effective and energy efficient these appliances are. And there are some pretty big differences between a 1-star and a 6-star rating. For example, if you were to buy a dishwasher which has a 1-star energy rating, it could cost you around $192 per year. However, if you were to buy a dishwasher that had a 6-star energy rating, it would only cost you $32 per year. So the potential savings of getting a dishwasher with 6 stars versus a dishwasher with 1-star energy rating is potentially $160 per year. And that's just 1 year. Over 10 years, it would be a saving of $1,600. So even though it may be a bit more expensive to purchase an energy saving or water saving appliance in the short term, it could save you quite a lot of money over the long term. And potentially, if you do have a washing machine or a dishwasher or a fridge that is pretty old and isn't really energy saving, potentially you could look at upgrading, and that could save you quite a lot of money on your power bill. Another tip that you can use is if you do have an electricity provider and they do have on-peak and off-peak times, something that you can also do is schedule your dishwasher and your washing machine to run during the evening so that you can save on power. So this is something that we do, and we are able to save 50% off our electricity bill. So the third thing that you can buy that can actually save you a lot of money is a good quality coffee machine. Our coffee machine and grinder cost us about $600, but by making my coffee at home every day, I'm saving about $1,500 per year. And if we were to include Pablo's coffee costs, that saves us $3,000 per year. So even though it did cost quite a bit of money to purchase up front, we have made our money back multiple times over by purchasing this coffee machine. The fourth thing that you can buy that can save you money is a travel mug. Some cafes may give you a discount if you bring your own cup, and even if you don't bring your own cup, you can actually take your coffee out with you and pretty much take it anywhere you like. So the next thing that you can buy that can help you save money is a herb garden. So I actually got this little LED hydroponic herb kit as a gift, but the light that it uses is LED light, so it is energy saving. And we also run the growing light during the evenings during our off-peak electrical times. So this helps us save 50% off our energy consumption since we are running it during the off-peak electrical times. This can help us save money on our food costs because we don't have to buy basil as much. So the next thing that can help you save money is buying things in bulk, for example, dishwashing tablets. So we found this really good deal online of dishwashing tablets, and we ended up purchasing 4 packets. And the same dishwashing tablets would have costed us $136 if we were to buy them full price from Woolworths. So we ended up saving $81 on dishwashing tablets by buying in bulk and buying on special. So keep an eye out for end of financial year sales, which should be coming really soon. So the next thing that you can buy that can save you money are washable cleaning cloths. Sorry, this one's a little bit dirty, but I did want to show you what they look like. You can tell we're actually using them. So let's just say, for example, you spend about $75 per year on paper towels. That's pretty reasonable because it would mean that you would need to go through 1 packet every 2 weeks. But imagine if you bought some washable cleaning cloths that could cut down your paper towel usage to half. So instead of spending $75 per year on paper towels, you would only need to spend $37 per year. We bought this packet of 3 cleaning cloths from Bunnings for only $9. And I estimate this could save us about $30 per year on our paper towel usage, and potentially even more because we don't really use paper towels that often anymore. Another thing that you can buy that can save you money are these little spray bottles. So we actually make our own cleaning products, and we made this cleaning product for cleaning the windows. And it is made up of a little bit of water, a little bit of dishwashing detergent, and some vinegar. So not only will this help us save a lot of money by not having to buy glass cleaner, but it also saves the planet as well, because we can just keep on reusing the same bottle. So the ninth thing that you can purchase that can save you a lot of money is reusable and washable makeup remover pads. Let's just say, for example, you use one packet of makeup remover pads per fortnight. That could cost you approximately $100 per year. You can buy some washable makeup remover pads for around $10 to $20. So this could save you about $80 to $90 per year. And of course, it also helps save the planet as well. Something else that can help you save money is containers for food. Cooking your food at home and then bringing it to work can help you save a lot of money on your food costs. Let's just say, for example, you buy lunch at work every day and it costs you about $20 each time. This adds up to $5,100 per year, and you could save quite a lot of that money by making your lunch at home and bringing it to work in one of these containers. Something else that can help you save money are rice cookers. So this rice cooker only costs $13 from Kmart. And honestly, this rice cooker is idiot proof. All you need to do is put the rice in and the water in, and don't worry, it does have all the measurements for you. So literally all you need to do when the rice and the water is in there is just click this button and it starts cooking for you. And when it's finished, you have perfectly steamed rice. Let's just say, for example, you order some Asian food and you want to purchase some steamed rice on the side. Steamed rice at an Asian restaurant can cost you about $4 per person, but you can make the exact same bowl of rice for only 20 cents using your $13 Kmart rice cooker. Something else that can help you save money is a food processor. This food processor is honestly a little bit of a luxury purchase, but it only costs around $40 and it saves me so much time. For example, I can chop mushrooms really quickly and potatoes and even make pesto with it. So for the amount of time that it saves, it's definitely worth it. So the next thing that can help you save money is a reusable drink bottle. If you were to buy water bottles out, it can cost you about $2. So simply bringing a reusable drink bottle out with you can save you about $2 per day. And of course, it also saves the environment as well. So the next thing that can help you save money is a sourdough making kit. I don't personally have one, and I've actually never made sourdough before, but I'm just thinking, if there's ever a time that I have way too much time in my life and I do want to learn how to make sourdough bread, it could actually save you quite a bit of money on your bread costs. You could potentially save about $3 per loaf by making your sourdough at home. And if you eat one loaf of bread per year, this could save you about $160 on your sourdough bread cost. The next thing that can help you save money is Amazon Prime, who is the sponsor for today's video. I'm just kidding, but it would be nice if Amazon Prime sponsored me. Jeff Bezos, if you're watching this video, make sure you give me a call. Amazon Prime currently costs $59 in Australia per year, or $6.99 per month, and you get access to these benefits. You get free expedited delivery on Prime purchases, and the Amazon Prime delivery service is actually amazing. Oftentimes you can even get next day delivery for Amazon Prime purchases. You can also get free expedited international deliveries as well, and potentially even discounted deliveries if they don't have free deliveries available for the products that you're purchasing. You can also get access to these shopping benefits, including Prime exclusive deals. So there are Amazon Prime shopping days, and it gives members access to a lot of deals on pretty much like everyday household items that you could save quite a bit of money on. Let me know if you guys have Amazon Prime and if you purchased anything recently on the Amazon Prime days. You also get access to some of Amazon's entertainment. For example, you can get access to Prime Video, which has a lot of video content for free available for Amazon Prime members, and even Amazon Prime Music, which is sort of a little bit like Spotify, but it's completely free for Amazon Prime users. Amazon Prime Video is actually pretty good. They have some really good movies available on there, and it's a little bit like Netflix that you can see completely for free just by having an Amazon Prime membership. You also get access to Prime Reading, which gives you access to some free Kindles and ebooks. So the next thing that you can buy that can potentially save you money is a Costco membership. Costco memberships currently cost $60 per year in Australia and $55 if you are a business. Even though this membership price is a little little bit expensive, it could potentially be worth it in the long run, especially if you are a family and you do need to buy really big quantities of things. And if you ever do have any events and things like that, they actually do have some really great food catering options that are really cheap. The next thing that you can buy that could potentially save you money is solar panels. Depending on where you live, solar panels can save you a lot of money. So I've had a look to see how much solar panels could save the average household per year, and you could potentially save about $900 per year on your energy costs. So this means if you do purchase a new solar panel system, it would only take you 6 years to pay this back. And if you do live in a house, you can actually get some people to come to your house to see how much money you can potentially save off your energy bill by getting solar panels, and how long it could take you to make your money back from purchasing the solar panels in the first place. We were actually going to add solar panels to our apartment roof because we actually get access to the roof in our apartment, but unfortunately we have a tree blocking a lot of the sun on our roof, so we wouldn't be able to get a lot of sun and a lot of electricity if we were to put solar panels on our roof. But I still love the tree and I love the way that it looks, so no complaints here. Something else you can buy that can save you money are security cameras. Potentially, if you ever do have a break-in, it's a really good idea to have security cameras just in case. And another thing you can buy to help you save money are cheap phone plans. My old phone plan cost me $40 per month and my new phone plan only cost me $28 per month. So this saves me $144 per year. And by the way, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below if you would like to check out my phone provider. And another thing that can help you save money is getting cheaper internet. I saved $20 per month off my internet bill by switching my internet provider to Superloop. So this saves me $240 per year. And I do have an affiliate link down in my description below if you would like to check Superloop out. Finally, the last thing that you can buy that can actually save you money is cheaper electricity, and potentially switching your electricity to having off-peak and on-peak times. So then you can schedule your washing machine, your dishwasher, and any other items to run during the off-peak times, so you can potentially save a lot of money. So that is my list of things that you can buy that can actually save you money. And I would love to hear from you guys. Was there anything that I left off this list? Is there anything that you guys have purchased that saves you a lot of money or time? Let me know down in the comments below, because I love learning about this stuff and helping each other save money. I think it's awesome. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end of the video. You guys are the real MVPs. And because you made it all the way to the end of the video, I have a secret code word for you, which is coffee. So write me a comment below with the word coffee in it, just so that I know who the real MVPs are. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you tap the like button on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content about investing and personal finance. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And if you want more videos, don't worry, I got you. Here are some more videos that you can watch, so make sure you click the links and click through to another video.